Welcome back to more Nickmercs. Guys, in today's YouTube upload, we're reacting to human beings versus nature. Now, we've done a few of these, and you know, human beings don't ever really win. So, nature's kind of undefeated. Hard to beat mama. If you guys like today's YouTube video, I have a feeling that you will. Don't forget to like the video, man. Hey, drop a comment down below. I want to know, if you were in a situation like this, what's the scariest disaster you can imagine? If I had to pick one, bro, a volcano erupting and me being around, nah. Enjoy the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby.
Here we go.
Wow. I have never. Oh my God!
You should react to impractical jokers' punishments.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Increíble, increíble, increíble.
Whoa! That's that Florida Lightning right there, bro. Florida Lightning different. I ain't talking about the hockey team. Yeah, boom. One little splash. That wasn't nature. That was just a gate. Oh, I always worry about somebody like cutting themselves on the ice when they're doing shit like this.
Oh my gosh, look.
Bro, go, man. Oh my God, shit, it gets deep. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, wow.
Valley Trade Pool.
Is this from like them California fires or something? This is crazy.
Everything our way, including the roof.
Jeez.
Oh.
Get boom.
Oh, yes. This thing is huge.
Oh. Oh. Damn. Yep.
Look at him go. He's so pretty. Sonny! Sonny! Sonny just swallowed the turtle.
That's insane. Bro, move the car. I mean, do that insurance claim, isn't he? No way. No. Oh, is that what I think it is? Oh, no. Damn. That's when you just go back inside and chalk it.
Wow. That looks like it's coming here, yo. Yeah.
I think this would scare me the most, man.
Yeah.
Like a volcano. Like, imagine living in Hawaii or some shit. A volcano erupts. Man. Idiot. Idiot.
Come here. Come here, bear.
What? Oh, no. Oh, no. Is he serious? Oh, oh. What? I mean, that, like, if he survived that.
How's the conditions today?
Oh my God.
How are the conditions today?
Gary, did he survive that? He was good. He did make it. Did he actually? That's unbelievable, man. That is unbelievable. I mean, truly. Oh, it's like a little guy, a little tornado. Idiots, man. What is this? Is it a landslide? Oh, man. That's some California fires, bro. It's got to be. I remember seeing that. I literally remember being like on the freeway like this and seeing that. It's crazy.
Oh. Oh my god, everything's really flying around.
Earthquake.
Woo.
Holy shit. Oh. Fuck, man.
Is nuts. Well, these people gotta get moving.
Look at the shit falling out of the sky. That's what that is. I was like, look at it, honey. The branches freaking from the thing is pulling them up in the air. We might have to go.
Water spout.
What the fuck are you? That was weird. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the craziest lightning I've ever seen. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh. What a monster. Nope. 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 They're laughing, but that shit ain't funny, man.
The rain in New York City. You cannot get off the train. Look at this. Oh my god.
I'm stuck on one of them fucking trains, man. Jesus Christ.
Coming around. Coming around.
Oh no.
It's coming this way.
Oh, I don't f with big crocodiles, man.
Okay. Back, just get the pedal.
People are so dumb, man. Why they? I hate this video. Oh, I hate this video, man.
My garage. Front door, as you can see.
What is that? Foam? Is that ice? Sea foam from the ocean. Oh no. See, yeah, we talked about elephants. See, we talked about elephants yesterday. Yup. Talking about elephants yesterday.
Water, Whitchurch, / Rory Griffiths, / water. Flat out, Massey. Oh, I get wet here. Oh, hell!
God, man, people just, oh. Jay, if I saw, if you put me in a situation like that, like where a volcano's erupting, oh man, I don't know what I would do, bro. I really don't know what I would do.